So, intermittent fasting is one of the most recommended methods of weight loss. And this is because it's very effective. And here are some very real things that you can expect from your body while trying out intermittent fasting. Before we go on, I would like to say that once you finish your regimen, however long that may be, you're going to want to do it again. And this is normal. It's just your body's way of saying, like, hey, in the end, after all that we've been through, this is good. Let's do it again sometimes. So, here are three very real things that you can expect. And number three is usually the one that people struggle the most with. Number one, brain fog. And this is a very real thing. And this happens normally right about your usual meal time. And for me, that's breakfast. So great. Morning brain fog. Number two is a dip in energy followed by a boost. And the lowest point of the dip, this usually happens the same right about your usual meal time. And this is your body's way of saying, like, hey, where's my energy? But once he realizes that there's nothing coming, he's going to actually switch gears and he's going to start burning fat for fuel. This is exactly where we want to be. And this is also the exact moment that you're going to feel the boost in energy. And number three is a natural instinct to slow down, especially your physical activity, and also a natural instinct to increase your intake of sugar. And this is also very normal. It's just your body's way of saying, like, hey, energy is scarce, so let's not waste it. And this in turn creates this craving for sugar. And this is also normal because basically your body runs on sugar. Well, technically, that's not correct. It runs on glucose, but glucose is the main ingredient in sugar, but that's a whole nother video in itself. So, there you have it. Three real things that you can expect daily while trying out intermittent fasting. Take care.